this is Mark Wable with Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV in Belton, Missouri, just south of downtown Kansas City. Today we're going to take a look at an amazing Newmar Essex 4569. This is Newmar's answer to those people that want a much larger kitchen with storage galore in a big 45-foot luxury motorhome. So we're going to take a couple minutes to walk around the coach, show you from the front to the back, really highlight this kitchen. It's a gorgeous coach. It's got special order graphics on the outside. You'll see those pictures at the end of the video. Got sable maple cabinetry. It's just a really striking coach with a ton of Newmar's quality in their more traditional coach in their luxury lineup, the Essex. So we're going to come up front and kind of work our way front to back. Start by looking at the cockpit. Obviously the Essex with the Spartan chassis, the HWH system, 605 engine. We flipped it over real quick. You've got your dual screens up front. I always love looking at the 360 camera. Obviously when you're driving down the road you're going to use your mirrors, but when you're parking or if you just want to double check before you put your blinker on, that 360, obviously it's a little distorted since our slides are out, but it just does an amazing job. I always have that up when I'm driving one of these. Huge captain's chairs with the massage function. Extremely comfortable, swivel around. The other great thing about this coach is it's got all sorts of seating. I'm very fond of the theater seats with what I call the movable table, but to me it's almost like you have a separate couch. And then you've got your trifold sofa that comes out to a bed with the TV behind it. And like I mentioned before, look in here, this is for the customer that really truly wants to have a big functional kitchen. You've got this stationary island here with a huge amount of storage in the bottom. I know people are always asking me, where do you keep your pots and pans? Just tons of storage here. Still have your dishwasher, your induction cooktop. And as always with Newmar's, the ability to take that cooktop outside, cook on a table or something like that. If you're using cooking something that you don't want to cook in the house, you can take it outside. G appliances, sable maple, and do a great job here of making sure that we pair our cabinetry up. Got a beautiful backsplash, and when we put the blinds up, you'll see a window. Huge sink with enough space over here if you want to put a drying rack, but just nice and deep. One thing I want to show, again, I'm a huge fan of this setup. It may not work for everybody, but when you have this movable table, you can put it in and down or up. But I'm a pretty big guy, and to me, it just gives you another seating space. So you can sit 3, maybe 4 comfortably in here, have some chairs on the other side. But for what I like is if you're at a game or you're talking with friends or you got your family over, now you've got the 2 captain's chairs up front, couch, theater seats, and then basically another little couch over here that still gives you plenty of room, allows you to enjoy time with your family, talk, conversate, watch a game, watch a show, watch a couple games. It's just, to me, this is the best setup. I'm always really excited about this table setup. And like I said, it moves in and out. You can control it off of the pad. So you can come over here, go to your home, hit your systems, and you can take the dinette table up or down and then move it in or out. So when you're going down the road and you got your slides in, you can suck it way up. But even when it's sucked in, you can still pull it out, and it's not as comfy, but you can still get in here. And again, I'm a big guy, so most normal sized people are going to have a much better time getting in here, but it's still comfortable. So even when you're going down the road, now you might have to adjust to get back to the bathroom, like I said, when you're going down, but still a nice area. Next thing we're going to go look at is the fridge over here. It's got the wood fronts on it. Nice big freezer, ice. And kind of the last part of this setup that's so special, these two big pantries. Again, plenty of room for storage, for food, whatever you're taking along. If you have a family and you know you're going to want to cook, you got plenty of space to bring all your different items. Half bath with Newmar's door. In this one, this unit has the bed that will go up and down. You do lose the windows when you get that type of bed, but for me, I would love that, because again, you know, when you're going down the road, I've got a couple little kids. I can imagine them sitting back here reclining up like that, hooking up their video gaming system, playing. The other thing I like about this setup is you've got nice drawers, you've got some countertop, and you've got two nice windows. So if you're in a really scenic area, being able to wake up, look out, put your blinds up, just a really nice setup. And then back here in the bathroom, you do have, because you get so much more space in your kitchen, you don't have that huge double vanity with the big rear closet in this unit. You're giving up a little space in the rear bathroom for that kitchen, but you still have ample storage. Hanging wards with shelves. Big medicine cabinets. The outlets behind. Another ward over there. And then, even though this isn't the huge shower you see in a lot of them, I'm a pretty big guy. You know, I'm over 6'1", and I weigh a lot. And you can still move around, shower, you've got all your amenities, and not be rubbing all up against it. So, plenty big shower. With Essex, you always got your egress door behind your toilet. Great safety standard. All right, Miss Katie, come on back here. With all your Essex and all your Highline Newmars, you've got your Silverleaf system. You can control everything from this keypad here. You have another one up front, and then on the Essex you also have the My Rosie app, floor heat, your heaters, climate, water. And when you buy from us here at Transwest, the biggest part, you know, we carry amazing products. We've got amazing Newmars, but the real thing that makes us different is our technicians are so great. So I'm always more than happy to answer any questions you have. I don't go through these and try to show you everything and make these hour-long videos. But if you have specific needs, if you're really interested in this coach, I will come out and do a personal FaceTime with you. My direct line's 816-446-9799. Again, 816-446-9799. My name is Mark, M-A-R-C. I'd be happy to go through this personally, do a FaceTime video, a Google Meet, just roll through the whole coach, show you everything inside and out. We just want to kind of show you what type of product we're bringing in here to Transwest and Belton, just south of Kansas City. And but if you are really interested in this, you want to discuss pricing, you want to go through, like I said, do a personalized tour, I would love to do that with you. The other great thing about this unit and any of these Newmars, especially the Essex and the King Air, is with your, your theater seating, there's a great mode in here where you can go to systems. Say you're done with your day, you've traveled, you're set up, maybe you've already had your meal, maybe you've got some bad weather going on outside, you can't be outside under the stars. You want to sit down, you want to watch a movie, you come in here, set up theater mode. What theater mode does, dims all your lights, puts your TV up. Our shades were already down, but then it'll put all your shades down, and then you can sit back, relax, watch a movie, watch a show, watch a game, put your feet up in your theater seat. And the theater seats and Newmar's coaches are the most comfortable that you'll run across. You got ample storage in here, get yourself a beverage, sit back, relax, enjoy your coach, nice and quiet. Today it's a little warm out, we've got the AC on. You can't hear anything outside. These coaches are so well made, so well insulated with their 16-inch on center. Newmar's are the quietest in the campground going down the road. Everything they say is true. So you come in here, you've got a little white noise, you put your TV on, you can't hear anything outside. You can make this coach as hot or cold as you want it to be, and have a wonderful time. And the Essex, again, allows you, this $4569 again gives you such an amazing kitchen. If you want to pan back across there, just such an amazing kitchen, more of a home feel, gives you that stationary island. If you're getting ready to have friends over for a game or something along those lines, or if you're out tailgating. Obviously we do the RV tailgate row here with the Chiefs games. We'd love to have you come out and join us, but this is the perfect coach for that, because you can have some people sitting over here on the bench, theater seats here, flip your seats around up front. Every now and again you don't have the best weather to be outside. Plenty of room to entertain, plenty of room to prepare wonderful meals for you and your family. But this coach is just spectacular, gorgeous. If I can be of any assistance to you, you want to see something in more detail, give me a call, 816-446-9799. My name's Mark again. Can't remember that, just ask for the big guy with the beard. I'd love to help you out.